This simple AI YouTube channel gets millions of views, step-by-step tutorial. Hey everyone, take a look at this YouTube channel. This channel has nearly 480,000 subscribers and almost every video gets impressive views. What's even more interesting is that these videos are incredibly easy to create. In fact, the channel's most popular video has gained over 3 million views. Now you're probably wondering, how are these videos actually made? Let me show you. The concept is surprisingly simple. In each video, an English sentence is spoken twice. The first time it's spoken at normal or fast speed, so viewers can hear the correct pronunciation. Then the same sentence is repeated at a slower speed, allowing viewers to clearly understand and practice speaking. This simple learning method is one of the biggest reasons behind the channel's success. Now, here's something else worth noticing. This channel has a join button enabled, and when you open any video, you'll also see the super thanks feature. That tells us the channel is fully monetized and earning money from YouTube. Based on its performance, this channel could be making anywhere from a few $100s to several $1,000s per month. So with the very simple content idea and the right presentation, this creator is generating millions of views and building a profitable business. If you're And here's the interesting part. This channel targets viewers in the United States and its videos have already accumulated millions of total views. So the question is, how can you create videos like these? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate your content with AI. The first thing you'll need is a prompt. I'll place the prompt in the video description so you can easily copy and use it. You can paste this prompt into AI tools such as ChatGPT, Claude AI, or Google Gemini. These tools will generate the learning sentences you'll need for your videos. For this tutorial, we'll use Claude AI because it creates highly detailed and structured outputs. Simply open Claude AI, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, you'll receive a list of sentences. Typically, you'll get around 10 sentences, but you can generate 20, 50, or even more if you'd like. For this demonstration, we'll use 10 sentences. Once your sentences are ready, it's time to create visuals. Step 2. Create AI images for your video. To generate images, we'll use Whisk.ai. Open Google and search for Whisk.ai. Click the first result and sign in with your Google account. Once inside, click on New Project. Copy one of the prompts generated by Claude AI and paste it into Whisk.ai. Select the image generation option, choose a 16:9 aspect ratio and click Generate. After a short wait, your image will be ready. Open the image and download it. If available, use the 2-key upscale option to improve image quality before downloading. Repeat this process for all your prompts. To save time, I've already generated all the images we'll be using in this tutorial. Now that our images are ready, let's move on to creating videos. Step 3. Turn images into AI videos. Next, we'll use Google Gemini to transform our images into videos. Open Gemini and paste the first visual prompt. Upload the corresponding image and click Generate. After a few minutes, Gemini will create a video based on your image and prompt. Let's preview the result. As you can see, the video looks great. Now repeat the same process for the remaining images. Copy the next prompt, upload the next image and generate another video.
I make the bed. Water. Make the bed. Yo, Wale.
Continue until all your clips are ready. Step 4. Generate AI voiceovers for free. At one point, I reached Gemini's video generation limits and started looking for free alternatives. That's when I switched to Google AI Studio for voice generation. Open Google and search for Google AI Studio. Open the website and you'll see a clean interface. Click the menu icon and open model settings. Under speaker settings, choose the voice that best fits your content. For female dialogue, select a female voice. Paste the dialogue into the text box and click Run. Within moments, you will get a high-quality AI voiceover. For best results, generate voiceovers in smaller sections rather than one long script. This helps maintain voice quality and prevents glitches. Repeat the same process for all female dialogue sections, then do the same for male dialogue sections using a male voice. Once all voiceovers are ready, download them. Step 5. Edit everything in CapCut. Now it's time to put everything together. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all your AI-generated video clips. Next, add the images you created earlier. Go to Audio, select Import and add all the AI voiceovers. If you can't find the voice files immediately, locate them using your file manager and import them manually. Now match each image and video clip with the appropriate voiceover. To make the visuals more engaging, add simple keyframe animations. A slight zoom effect works extremely well. Apply smooth transitions between clips to create a professional viewing experience. Continue syncing all images, videos, and voiceovers until your project is complete.
I water the flowers. I water the flowers. I make the bed. Water, make the bed. Yo wale.
I pick the apples. I pick the apples.
I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor.
Final step, export your video. Congratulations, your AI-generated YouTube video is now ready. Click the export button, choose your preferred quality settings and render the final video. Within a few minutes, your finished video will be ready to upload. In the next part, I'll show you how to create highly clickable thumbnails, optimize SEO, write titles and descriptions, and improve your chances of ranking on YouTube. If you'd like to see that tutorial, make sure to leave a like on this video. The more support this video gets, the sooner I'll release part 2. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.